Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a 2022 Coachmen Encore Model 375RB. So to begin, the Encore is Coachmen's top-of-the-line Class A motorhome. I really like the headlight design. I like the front grille. It looks great. Standard comes partial body paint. This one does have the optional full body paint, and it's fantastic. Something that I really like about Coachmen is they use Azdel, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. And this is a bunkhouse motorhome with something very special about the bunks. Let's take a look at the inside. So inside, right away, you're gonna notice this isn't your traditional Class A gas motorhome. It's a lot more modern and contemporary. It's light in here, it's bright in here. A lot of that has to do with the interior decor choices, and a lot of that has to do with the LED light strips. 3 sets of light strips I think looks absolutely fantastic. Right up here is your driver cockpit area, and you do have a bunk over the cab. Your dinette's right here, and it drops down to make a bed. And then right over here, we have a beautiful kitchen. Nice solid surface countertops, very nice backsplash here, and an LG residential refrigerator. Right here we have a tri-cushion sofa, which is directly across from the TV entertainment center. And then coming on in here is just a half bath. You have a little sink and a toilet area. And then this is what makes the unit special. This is a bunk bed office wardrobe. So this bunk bed is a bunk. Then this can flip up out of the way, and you can set up a chair there for an office. Got your little computer desk there. Also, you got that hanging bar there, so it is also a wardrobe if needed. And then right over here, this one comes with the stackable washer dryer. Now this one was ordered, and it's an option this way, but still, to get that as an option is fantastic. King size bed in here, super spacious bedroom. Plenty of storage space back here. And then coming on all the way to the back is the master bathroom. You have the nice shower right there, nice sink with a nice toilet in a great position. Well everyone, thank you so much for checking out this quick 2-minute tour of the Coachmen Encore 375RB. If you guys want to see the full review, please check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit for you, make sure you click the link down below and one of our team members will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.